Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick video, I will show you how to add links in Obsidian to organize your notes and navigate easily. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about internal links, which connect your notes. To add an internal link, simply type double brackets, then start typing the name of the note you want to link to. Obsidian will auto suggest matching note names. Just select one and your link is created. Now, if you want to add an external link, here's how. Use markdown format, type the text you want to display in square brackets like this, followed by the URL in parentheses. Once you have added your links, switch to preview mode to test them. Internal links will open your notes and external links will take you to the website. And there you have it. Adding links in Obsidian is super simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.